Hello, this video is about one-factor authentication. That is where you're prompted by the computer for a username and a password, something you know. And when you enter those values, you gain access to the computer. To increase the security, two-factor authentication has been introduced in the past few years. And that's where after you enter your username and password, you're then prompted for something you have, such as a PIN sent to you over your phone or through your email. However, a lot of computers are set up with authentication that's even weaker than one-factor authentication, and I call it half-factor authentication. And that's where you're not prompted for a username, just a password, and I'll show you what I mean. This is Fedora 33 with the Mate desktop, and I will show you how many users are set up on this computer. You've got two of them, Jimbo and Test 1, and both of their names are presented so that you're only asked for half of the authentication that you normally would be if you had one-factor authentication, the password. So we want to change that so that it's a full one-factor authentication. And to do that, I'll show you after I log in. Now, it may be different in other desktops such as Cinnamon or GNOME or KDE, but in Mate desktop, you click System, go to Administration, click Login window, Authenticate, with administrative credentials, by the way, and go to the Users tab and turn on Hide the User List, and then close the window. Now that won't take effect until the operating system is restarted, and I'll show you that now. If I log out, we can see that the usernames are still showing. So I'll go ahead and restart now. And when it comes back up, that should be different. And we can see here that it is. Now it's not just asking us for a password, but it's first asking for a username and then a password. And there you go. So there's no sense in running with half-factor authentication on any computer. It makes one-factor authentication worse than it already is. It's susceptible to a lot of different attacks, and there's no sense in making it worse. So that's how you do it in Fedora Mate desktop. And if you have any questions or comments, let me know. Thank you.